Why on earth did I buy 25 kilos of clay without any ceramic knowledge? Hi, I'm Juan, a dancer that had to face the reality of a broken body just before graduating as a professional contemporary dancer. But I decided that this event would not define me as a failure. This is when clay comes into play. Out of the blue, I felt the need of making ceramics. I bought those 25 kilos of clay, and do you know what happened next? Clay allowed me to enter a meditative state that helped me heal my anger, my sadness, and face my inner demons. I discovered the power of clay, the power of being present. This is when those faces appear. The Pomos family was born. They taught me the power of connection, allowing me to be in the present moment with my emotions, helping me to slow down through simple actions. And you know what? You felt that connection too, that loving energy. This is the reason why all this journey began. I needed to make more pieces to allow every single one of you to step into a loving space where you can celebrate yourself through pottery. And I want to take you along the journey of this project, creating the pieces together. My aim is to create a community that wants to reconnect with themselves through the Pomos family. A community of people that wants to buy my work as a tool to connect with a loving space where connection, awareness, and self-care are a priority. Welcome to Terra Humida Ceramics, a place where we can inspire each other, where we can share the success but also our failures. It is all about your journey, about playing and learning